Staying hydrated in hot conditions is crucial for your health and well-being. Dehydration can lead to heat-related illnesses like heat exhaustion or heat stroke. Here are some tips to help you stay hydrated in hot weather. 1. Drink plenty of water. Consume water regularly throughout the day, even if you don't feel thirsty. Thirst is not always a reliable indicator of your body's hydration needs. Aim to drink at least 8-10 glasses, about 2.5 liters of water per day in hot conditions, but adjust this amount based on your activity level and individual needs. 2. Electrolyte balance. When you sweat, you lose not only water but also essential electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Consider drinking sports drinks or electrolyte-enhanced water to help replenish these electrolytes, especially if you are sweating heavily. 3. Eat hydrating foods. Consume foods with high water content, such as fruits, for example watermelon, oranges, and berries, and vegetables, for example cucumber and lettuce. These foods can contribute to your overall hydration and provide essential vitamins and minerals. 4. Avoid dehydrating beverages. Limit or avoid alcohol and caffeinated drinks, like coffee and soda, in hot weather, as they can increase dehydration. If you do consume these beverages, drink extra water to offset their dehydrating effects. 5. Use a reusable water bottle. Carry a reusable water bottle with you wherever you go. Having easy access to water encourages regular sips throughout the day. Consider using an insulated water bottle to keep your water cool in hot conditions. 6. Set reminders. Set alarms or reminders on your phone, or watch to prompt you to drink water at regular intervals. It's easy to forget to hydrate when you're busy or distracted. 7. Stay in the shade. Minimize exposure to direct sunlight during the hottest parts of the day, usually from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Seek shade or create your own using an umbrella or clothing. Extreme heat can cause you to sweat excessively and lose fluids more rapidly. 8. Wear appropriate clothing. Choose lightweight, loose-fitting, and light-colored clothing that allows sweat to evaporate and cool your body. A wide-brimmed hat and sunglasses can also help protect you from the sun. 9. Monitor your urine. Check the color of your urine to gauge your hydration. Pale or light yellow urine is a good sign, while dark yellow or amber urine indicates dehydration. Aim for pale yellow urine as an indicator that you are well hydrated. 10. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's signals. If you start feeling thirsty, it's a sign that you should drink water immediately. Symptoms like dizziness, dry mouth, rapid heartbeat, or dark urine can be signs of dehydration, so act promptly. Remember that everyone's hydration needs vary, so it's important to adapt these tips to your individual circumstances, activity level, and the severity of the heat. Staying hydrated is a proactive way to prevent heat-related illnesses and keep yourself safe in hot conditions.